Welcome to Prompt Engineering. Hey everyone and welcome. Ever wonder how those incredible AI tools like ChatGPT understand what you want and give you such smart answers? Well, a lot of it comes down to something called prompt engineering. It's basically the art and science of talking to AI effectively. And in this module, we're diving deep into the foundations. Understanding LLMs, the brains behind the magic. Host, first things first, let's talk about the stars of the show, large language models, or LLMs. Think of them as super smart digital brains trained on a massive amount of text data. They're designed to understand and generate human-like language, opening up a world of possibilities, from writing stories to helping you brainstorm ideas. But here's a crucial distinction. You've got base LLMs and instruction-tuned LLMs. Base LLMs are like raw, brilliant learners. They predict the next word in a sequence. Instruction-tuned LLMs, on the other hand, have gone through extra training to be really good at following instructions. They're generally more helpful, safer, and exactly what we'll be focusing on for most of our prompt engineering journey. This makes our job as prompt engineers easier because we can be more direct with our requests. Now, while LLMs are amazing at things like summarizing, inferring, transforming, and expanding text, they're not perfect. They can sometimes hallucinate, meaning they make up information that sounds convincing but isn't true. And they can also carry over biases from the data they were trained on. That's where our role as prompt engineers becomes incredibly vital. We guide them to perform specific tasks, unlock their full potential, and keep them on the right track. What exactly is prompt engineering? So if LLMs are the brains, then prompt engineering is how we communicate with them. It's about crafting the perfect input or prompt that gets the AI to give you exactly what you need. Think of it like being a director for an incredibly talented actor. You need to give clear, concise directions for the best performance. And this isn't a one-and-done deal. Prompt engineering is a super iterative process. You'll write a prompt, see what the AI gives you, and then refine, test, and tweak until you get the perfect output. It's like being a scientist in a lab, constantly experimenting and improving. Crafting the perfect prompt, the basics. So what makes a prompt truly great? It boils down to a few key qualities. Clarity, conciseness, no vague requests. Be crystal clear about what you want. Specificity, the more detailed you are about the context, desired outcome, length, format, or style, the better. Instead of write a poem, try write a short, inspiring poem about AI, focusing on Dolly's image creation in the style of Emily Dickinson. Context. Give the AI all the relevant background information it needs. If you're summarizing an article, include the article. Structure. A simple but powerful tip is to put your main instructions at the beginning of the prompt and use clear separators, like there, to divide your instructions from the text the AI needs to process. That's our kickoff to prompt engineering. In the next module, we'll dive into specific techniques for building those powerful prompts. Ready to move on and start building your own impactful prompts?